Are you trying to lose weight? Did your doctor recommend it? There are ways to lose weight safely. A steady weight loss of 1 to 2 pounds per week is recommended for most effective long-term weight management. It goes beyond a fad diet and exercising once a while. It needs proper planning and a lot of determination. While there are endless diets, supplements, and meal replacement plans claiming to ensure rapid weight loss, most lack any scientific evidence. There are, however, some strategies backed by science that do have an impact on weight management. You can reach your weight loss goals by using these simple but powerful weight loss strategies as long as you follow all the steps. Here are a few simple steps to help you lose weight. 1. Start your day with lemon water. Lemon water promotes fullness, support hydration, boost metabolism, and increase weight loss. Lemon juice helps the body get the nutrients it needs to burn fat into energy and stop weight gain. Make sure you keep drinking lemon water even after you lose weight to maintain your new weight. 2. Exercise. There is no two-way escape regular exercise and activity if you are serious about weight loss. Doing a mix of mild and hard physical activities will help you lose and control your weight. Also, exercise can improve your health and reduce the risk of developing several diseases like type 2 diabetes, some cancers, stroke, and cardiovascular diseases. It also reduces stress and improves your sleep quality. Physical activity and exercise can have immediate and long-term health benefits. Most importantly, regular exercise can improve your quality of life. It is important to set a time in the day for your exercise routine so you do not skip it with the excuse that you don't have enough time. 3. Eating a healthy diet. Eating a low-calorie and healthy diet is an essential part of the weight loss plan. Instead of filling up on junk food, include fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Avoid taking in too much sugar and salt, and stay away from fried and fatty foods. Look for healthier alternatives of your favorite. Don't eat things made with white flour like cookies, muffins, burgers, pasta, pizzas, hot dogs, and white bread. Choose whole grain and healthier forms of these things. Eat more fiber and proteins but less carbohydrates. Proteins will lessen your cravings and keep you feeling full for a longer time. Choose fresh fruits instead of packages fruit juices which are full of sugar and preservatives. Use virgin coconut oil in your diet, which is good for your health, easy to digest, and also helps your body break down materials faster. Do not skip meals, especially breakfast. Eat your last meal of the day at least 2 hours before bedtime, and don't snack late at night. 4. Drink a lot of water. To help your body wash out toxins, drink a lot of water throughout the day. It is suggested to drink 8 to 10 glasses of fluids a day. It also helps the body burn out fat a lot faster. Also eat more fruits and vegetables that contains a lot of water. 5. Get proper sleep. Relaxation and getting proper sleep are also very key to your weight loss plan. The fact is, not getting enough sleep affects your hunger and fullness hormones. A lack of sleep makes you snack more at night, makes you create comfort foods, and leaves you too tired for regular physical exercise. Make sure to get 6 to 8 hours of sleep every night. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it to your friends and family. If you want more health tips and recipes, please subscribe to the channel.